Kevin, again, it's just God confirming, Nick, you're not going through life alone, my sweetie. I'm with you. And that's my message to you guys, to know that this is a living faith, baby, that every moment, every second we have God. So we can imagine that we're like clasped by the neck with God. And every moment we get to say, God, what is your perspective on this? Your girl was a little bit upset this morning. And even going to God in that upsetting, frustrating moment, like, God, what is this again? And just, God just saying, Nick, come on. My perspective of this is that you need to You need to keep quiet, take the insults, vent everything to me, and to be a wise woman like your brother Kevin has been teaching you. That you're going to be silent sometimes. Not everything has